It sucks to be getting old, huh? Because people treat you like because you're getting old, they want to put you on the back burner. But for me, I'm gonna be 66 next month. And honestly, I feel like I'm 45 years old. You know, you got a little aches and pain here and there, but you know what? Don't let nobody put you down because you get old. I mean, just when you get, getting old, you're just getting better. That's, you know what I mean? I may be old, but I'm not cold. You know, like that song goes, I don't need your rocking chair, your Geritol and your Medicare. Oh, I'm sorry. I need the Medicare. I need it because, folks, I tell you what, we went to the doctor yesterday. Well, I went with my wife to the doctor yesterday because she got some spots on her leg and she wanted to go check it out, see if it's cancerous or anything like that. So we check it out and the doctor said, no, it's just getting old and, you know, those kind of things start to creep upon you. She asked the doctor if there is any program for senior citizens for the gym. And the doctor said yes. So we check it out and I get to enroll in the gym for free. So I'm gonna start the gym maybe sometime next week. So all I gotta do, take the paperwork in, print it off, take it in and take it to the gym. And I'm gonna start the gym again because I stopped the gym when when I stopped the gym when the pandemic. So they said how long was that? No, almost 3 years now. And but I was scared to go back because you know what? I catch this stuff twice already. So, but it comes out that I don't have the money to go back to the gym. So, because I'm a senior citizen, I could get the gym membership free. So I signed up for 24 hours fitness, and I'm gonna start back on maybe I'll say Monday. So folks, that's all I'm saying. You know, so don't make people put you down because you're old or stuff. You're getting old and all that stuff. Because as long as you stay physical, and you got to stay physical, do a lot of stretching and stuff. Because as you get older, your muscles start to tighten up on you. So you know, this channel, I want my channel to be a travel vlog, but right now I don't have the money to travel. I mean, I would like to go all over the world and travel and do it. I mean, in California, there's a lot of places in California that you could do it, but you need the money to travel because, hey, California is not small. It's not a small place. You gotta, if you left from here to San Francisco, it's gonna take you what, 6-7 hours to drive there to go vlog. If you drive from here to Las Vegas, it'll take you 3 hours. But what I'm saying, from here to Arizona, it's gonna take you 5 hours. If you know, it take you from here to the beach, it's gonna take you an hour and a half, depends on the traffic. You know, so I'm saying you gotta have the money to do it, to start it out, like anything. So I decided, you know what, maybe for right now, well, I can't do that, so might as well I sit here a little bit and tell you guys about myself, you know. Last week we went to YouTube shorts program, and it's for me that's mostly for younger kids. But me and my wife went because they invited us, so I decided let's go. And it was nice and everything, but you know what? I was the oldest one. Me and my wife was the oldest people in the bunch. You got people around about 45, roughly. That's about it, 40, 45. But the majority was younger kids, like 18, 20, 25. But I mean, they don't make you feel like out of the water over there. I mean, when I was there, and we get along okay. Everybody talk up to each other, and you know. But for me, I don't think the short program is for me to say, well, get in there and do that. It is nice and everything, but it's not freedom for me. So I tell my wife next time, I don't know. But people, yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. Don't let nobody put you down, you know. because you're old and, oh, well, I give up. And no, I don't do that. As long as I got health and strength, I'm going to do me. That's why I look at it. And we're looking at politics and want to put, oh, because he's old or Biden is old or this one is old. As long as you got it up here and you could still do the job. That's what it's all about. If you don't have it up there and you start to forget stuff and different thing and all that kind of stuff, and yeah, then I can understand, yeah, it's time for you to simmer down and give somebody else a break. Folks, I have to hurry come inside because I forgot I was cooking. So I come inside, I cut up the wings, I cut up a watermelon, I put on some peas early this morning, some, what you call this again? Split peas.
He don't know what it's called because he keeps calling it split beans.
Split peas.
See what the thing there, Joe? Split peas, it's not beans.
Boil some pigtail, so I can put it in the beans in a little while, and then I'm gonna cook some rice, and then I'm gonna fry some plantain, and we're gonna have dinner.
But you're gonna broil the wings though, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna broil the wings and put hot sauce, or whatever they want on it. They can put barbecue. I can chop it up in
I'll
three.
probably make some sweet and sour sauce.
They could put sweet and sour sauce. Maybe I could put some red hot with some honey and try that out.
What was your conversation outside when I was taking my shower? What was your topic?
Oh, about getting old.
Oh, so you're trying to show them that you're doing everything because you're not old?
I'm still doing everything.
Can we take them outside into the garden to show them your kalaloo?
Yeah.
Can we?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go, folks. We're going to take you outside to show you my kalaloo. Let's go. Let's go over here. Let's go back to where I first started out. When I first started planting them. Here is where I first started planting my kalaloo here like 10 years ago. And I thought they were gone because I don't see them no more. But so, and there was some small little one coming up there, but they ain't going nowhere. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep these for seed.
Do you have more?
Yeah.
There are more?
Yeah. I'm gonna keep this for seed, so let them go, let that one grow and seed. And then the wind coming and blew all the seeds over the yard. And the little patches right here.
Oh, you got a nice harvest.
Yeah.
This is going to give you one cooking though, right?
One cooking. And I got a little bit more over here. A little bit over here. They blow all over the yard. See one here. Let's see one here. There's another one here. There's one here. One over there. Two in the back there.
Okay, those are too close to dog poop for me.
Yeah, I don't want to. I got another one over there. In the back there. It's all over the yard. Yep.
And did you tell them about the fact that you went to YouTube? You told them that you went to YouTube?
Yeah, folks, we went to YouTube for concerning the sharks.
If they stay to the end, I'll show some footage.
Yeah, I want you guys to stay to the end and show you guys some footage of when we were there. I mean, it's nice and everything, but for me, I think it's for younger kids because I was the oldest one there, and me and Bobs was the oldest.
Yeah, I don't like having to do trends.
Yeah, and
can you show us what you're making from your leftover countertop?
Oh, okay. Well, if before that, this is I brought me pineapple. I gotta clean it up.
Check you out.
So, and these are some aloe vera. You know. And there here's some more color coming up there. And like I said, these are leftovers from when I was doing my kitchen. So pieces. So I'm gonna do a. You're
gonna make a cabinet from this one, right?
Yeah, make a
two
cabinet
doors
type
on the
like
bottom,
that.
2 drawers on the top.
Right, something like that.
And they're gonna be glass doors. So like a sideboard.
Like a sideboard. And then there's another piece here. I'm thinking to make something somewhat like that and put it by the window.
Oh, yeah, by the front window?
Yeah, put out the front window and have some drawers in the bottom. Like I tell you, a little table with drawers and stuff.
So cool. I want that.
I mean, I don't want to throw it away. And
Let's show what you made already. Let's go inside.
so let me show you guys what I made already. Come on. I made this. I made this.
Yeah.
I made this. This, the leftovers is from this right here. Okay.
The guys left it. So he made this table.
This is another piece of the leftovers right here. Make a
And he wanted to enclose this, but I like it open because back there we have a plug. And I'm not going to be able to get to it if it's enclosed. The piece that he just showed you is going to fit right here perfectly. I don't know where this is going to go. Like your printer might have to go on the wall. But on the wall I want a bar. And I don't even drink.
And when I finished make this, she told me that, oh, we should have put a door, blah, blah, blah. I said, but it's too late now.
No, I didn't tell you that. You told me that.
Right.
Come, stop lying on me. I'm gonna check you every time you lie on me.
Where you going?
That little table he wants to put here.
Yeah, right by the guitar. We gotta move the guitar.
And then he made another little table.
I got another little table for our studio.
You starting to act like my dad.
Like your dad?
Yeah. He tells somebody one thing and say I said it to him. That little gas lighter.
I made a little table for her studio right here so she can put the lamp.
Awesome, I love it.
I make this lamp also, folks. The chair. What else?
So you don't need no rocking chair. Did you sing your song in the thing?
I don't need no rocking chair. You're Geritol and your Medicare, but I need the Medicare.
Folks, we're at the YouTube studio. We're coming here for some shorts. But they invite us. I don't do shorts, but they invite us. I'll come.
One time I made a dress out of
Hello people, Joe here. How you guys doing?
Tell the people where you went today.
Folks, we went to the YouTube studio.
In Playa Vista.
What?
Playa Vista.
Playa Vista.
Huh?
And we went for a shark class.
It was amazing, right?
It was amazing. It's pretty good.
Met a lot of nice young people that was able to help us old people. And good food. Tell them about the food.
It was some good food, and they got beer. They got all kind of liquor.
Did they really have liquor?
Yeah.
Wow.
I stick with water.
I didn't even drink nothing.
It was tequila. Well, not tequila. What's the name?
Margarita?
Corona and some next beer.
Corona 19?
Huh? I think Budweiser.
Budweiser. Right?
It was
And
good.
what happened at the end when they say you could take home the food?
Take everybody.
Everybody was being decent,
Right.
except for one little boy.
The little boy, he got like six.
Six. He did have, I counted them. He had 6 big trays of the food. I'm like, what the? He must live with some roommates because he looked young.
How far before I turn again?
I don't know. Said Normandy.
Okay. Never mind. I got it.
1.2 miles.
Turn right.
So tell your people where we're heading to right now.
Folks, we're heading to
Lewis Meat Market.
Lewis Meat Market. We're going to buy some Caribbean stuff.
We're gonna go buy some Ricardo, some Milo, some salad dressing, Heinz salad dressing. What else are you getting? Pigtail?
Yeah, I might pick up some split peas.
Split peas, yes. Joe, I love your little camera. It's cute.
So let's do that.
27. I'll give you that one.
Okay. I would gladly take it too. I'm sort of camera greedy, huh, babe?
I know, huh? It's a pretty good camera. It worked pretty good. It's the only reason you can't zoom in and stuff like the other camera, but
Yeah, I think I didn't realize that about the GoPro. I didn't think I realized that it can't zoom.
you don't have no area code zoom in and stuff like that. But I guess as time go by, they started making them that way. Who knows?
Well, I noticed it attracts a lot of attention when you're out though.
Yeah.
People, younger kids tend to know what a GoPro is and they want to be on camera and stuff like that. Hey guys, just saying hello. I'm running camera for Joe as he drives. We're gonna be caught in a lot of traffic going home because we didn't leave the YouTube studios till 4 and we're stopping at the meat market. It's almost like 4:30 right now, so we're gonna get on the freeway in the thick of 5 o'clock traffic.
What can you say?
What can I say? I can say we could go to the beach.
Beach. By the time you get to the beach,
Sit there for
already,
3 hours.
By the time you get back to the beach, it's night.
I know traffic's gonna be bad going that way too. So this is LA for Joe's viewers. We're at Western and 48th Street. Why do I get the feeling you used to live in this vicinity before? No?
Used to be Western and 27.
Oh, a little bit down more? There's a Belize flag right there.
Yeah.
In that car that turned, I think. Might have been another flag. It had a lot of blue in it.